Hey, hello, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to take a look at unboxing the MST MTX-1 monster truck. It's a brushless monster truck. It actually comes in a brushed and brushless, but most places only carry the brushless version. But it's a cool monster truck with a tube frame by MST, and it comes with a Chevy body, as you can see. So let's start off with taking a look at the packaging. There. Some of the features of the truck. See the chassis. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. Alright, so on this side here, looks like we've got the manual and also some tools. Looks like it's got like some kind of wrench tool right here, which is kind of cool. Decals as well. A small brochure of the MTX-1 and some of the upgrade parts available for it. Looks like it's got a aluminum servo mount, drive shafts that are also used in the CMX, some ball connectors, aluminum links, steel gear holder, and a aluminum link mount. It's also got aluminum servo mount, metal center gear set, which is from the CMX as well. So looks like it shares some parts with the CMX, which is nice, so that means there should be availability of parts. Sway bar set, aluminum hexes, aluminum motor heatsink, wire clamps, and damper sets. Alright, what else we got here? Looks like we've got the transmitter over here. Taped to the box. What kind of transmitter do we have here? Alright, let's take a look at the transmitter. Got some trim and endpoint adjustments right here. Power, dual rate. Most transmitters use foam. This one uses rubber. It's actually rubber wheel. Alright, let's go ahead and pull up the truck. It looks like this one is also zip tied to the cardboard. Let's get this out of the way here. Alright, so zip tied to the cardboard. Let me see if I can free it so I can give you guys a better look. Alright, so I freed the truck from the zip ties, and now I rip off the cardboard. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic covering here so we can take a good look at the body as well as what's underneath. Alright, so there's the MTX-1. Pretty cool. See a tube chassis. It's got a brushless motor in here. Dean's plug. This is the battery compartment. Just flips up like that. Stick the battery in, put it back in and secure it. Wheelie bar. It's the receiver box up here in the front. ESC. Steering servo right there. Steering links. Steering links are plastic, but I'm pretty sure you can replace them with metal links. These links are also plastic, but they do have upgraded aluminum links for these. And these drive shafts are also plastic, but they also have upgrades for those from the CMX. So pretty cool. Take a look at the axles. Pretty cool looking chassis. It's also got a really nice looking Chevy body as well. So take a look at the body here. Goes on just like this. Now, pretty cool stuff, man. Should be a fun monster truck. Well, there you have it, the MST MTX-1. Thanks for watching.